Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.